Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key. This is the podcast where we help you feel comfortable and confident speaking English in real life. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. Today's topic is something many English learners struggle with, making phone calls in English.
Anna, be honest. How do you feel about phone calls?
Honestly, even as a fluent speaker, phone calls aren't my favorite. They can feel stressful, especially when you don't know exactly what to say.
Exactly. Many learners tell us, Anna, I can speak English face to face, but phone calls make me nervous.
That's because on the phone, you can't see the other person's face. You can't read their body language or facial expressions.
Right. It's just your ears, your voice, and silence sometimes.
And that silence can feel very uncomfortable, especially if you're not sure how to respond.
So today, we're going to teach you English for phone calls, practical phrases that native speakers use all the time.
These phrases will help you sound polite, calm, and natural, even if you feel nervous inside.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English with us, like this episode, subscribe to English Learning Key, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
All right, let's start at the very beginning. Anna, how do people usually answer the phone?
In casual situations, many people just say hello with a friendly tone.
Yes, very simple. But in more polite or work situations, people often say something like, "Hello, this is David speaking," or "Hi, this is David."
Or, hi, this is Anna. Short, clear, and professional enough for most situations.
Now, let's imagine you are the one making the call. What can you say to start politely?
You can start with, hi, may I speak to David, please?
That sounds very polite. And if the person answers, they might say, "This is David," or simply, "Speaking."
But sometimes the person isn't available.
Yes, you might hear, "I'm sorry, he's not available right now," or "She's away from the desk at the moment."
And this is where many learners panic.
But there's no need to panic. You can simply say, "That's okay, can I leave a message?" Or "Could you ask them to call me back?"
Very natural and very useful phrases.
Now, Anna, what if you can't hear the other person clearly?
That happens all the time, especially with bad connections. You can say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Or, "Could you repeat that, please?"
And if the sound is really bad, you can say, the connection isn't very good.
Or the very common phrase, "You're breaking up."
Great phrase. Native speakers use that all the time.
Okay, next situation. What if you need time to think or check something?
You can say, just a moment, please, or 1 second, please.
Or more casually, "Hang on a second," or "Hold on a moment."
Those are very natural phone phrases and make you sound polite and confident.
What about when you don't understand something?
You can say, I'm not sure I understand, or could you explain that again, please?
Asking someone to repeat themselves is not rude at all.
Not at all. Native speakers do it all the time, especially over bad connections or noisy environments.
Now, let's talk about putting someone on hold. That's very important for phone calls.
Yes, you can say, could you hold for a moment? Or simply, please hold.
And when you come back, always say something polite like, "Thank you for holding," or "Thanks for waiting."
That sounds polite, professional, and natural.
Okay, Anna, what if you need to end the call?
You can say, thanks for calling, or thanks for your time.
Then add something friendly like, "Talk to you later," or "Have a great day."
Let's practice a short role play to see these phrases in action.
Okay, I'll start. "Hello, this is David speaking."
Hi, David. This is Anna. Is now a good time to talk?
"Yes, it is. How can I help you?"
I just had a quick question about our meeting tomorrow.
"Sure, go ahead."
What time does it start again?
"It starts at 10 a.m.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. Thanks so much.
"No problem at all. Talk to you later."
Talk to you later. Bye.
"Bye."
That conversation was very simple but very realistic.
Exactly. Phone calls don't need difficult English.
They just need clear phrases, a calm voice, and a friendly tone.
Let's add more examples with common phone call situations.
Good idea. What if you're calling to make an appointment?
You can say, "Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith, please."
Or, hello, I'd like to schedule a meeting with Mr. Brown next week.
If the person asks for details, you can say, "Do you have any openings on Tuesday?"
And when they give you a time, you can respond naturally with, that works for me, or that's perfect, thank you.
Exactly. Polite and clear.
What if you need to cancel an appointment?
You can say, "I'm sorry, I need to cancel my appointment," or "Something came up. Can we reschedule?"
Very natural. Adding a reason is polite. I'm not feeling well. Can we reschedule?
Now, let's talk about business calls. Many learners get nervous here.
In business calls, it's important to greet politely. Good morning, this is Anna from XYZ Company.
Then you can say the purpose. "I'm calling to discuss the project update."
And if you need to ask someone to repeat something, I'm sorry, could you clarify that point?
Politeness is key in business calls, but phrases are very similar to casual calls.
Let's do a longer role play with a business call.
Sure. "Hello, this is David from ABC Company."
Hi, David. This is Anna from XYZ Company. I'm calling about the project update.
"Of course, let me check. Could you hold for a moment?"
Sure, no problem.
"Thanks for waiting. The report is ready, and I'd like to discuss the next steps."
Great. Could you explain the timeline again?
Absolutely. We plan to finish by Friday and then start the next phase on Monday.
Perfect. That makes sense. Thank you for clarifying.
No problem. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
See? Polite, natural, and easy to follow.
And remember, it's okay to make small mistakes. What matters is clear communication.
Yes, confidence grows with practice.
Try practicing out loud, even if you're alone. Pretend you're making a call to a friend, a company, or even your pet.
They're very patient listeners.
You can also practice saying phrases in different tones: friendly, polite, casual.
That helps your voice sound more natural.
And try combining phrases. "Hi, may I speak to Anna, please? Thanks for holding." That works for me.
Practice makes it automatic.
We hope today's episode helps you feel more relaxed and confident about English phone calls.
Now it's your turn.
Leave a comment and tell us which phone phrase you want to practice first.
Or tell us what makes phone calls difficult for you so we can help in future episodes.
Thank you so much for listening to English Learning Key.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye and happy learning.